Today on What to Do, we are doing a door switch which controls the power windows on a Chevy 2500 HD pickup truck. This is a 4-door and we're doing the driver's side, and this is how you do it. First thing you want to do is open the door, obviously. All right, this is the switch we're going to be doing right here. First thing you're going to want to do is, you see this panel right here on this handle? You're going to take, do I have one in here? Yes. You're going to take a flathead and come underneath of the panel. There's a little groove right there, and this is gonna go flying. Just like that. You're gonna pop it off, and then it hits you in the face. Now you're gonna need a 10mm bolt. You're gonna take that bolt out of there, and you're gonna take that bolt out of there. Now you're just gonna take your screwdriver, and you're going to, you see this seam right here? You're gonna stick your screwdriver in there, and you're gonna pry up on it. Just like that. All right. That's going to pull it out of there like that. Now you're going to see all of your connectors here. All right. So this white one here, you're going to get a screwdriver. I'm going to have to set the camera down, but you want to push down on that white tab and kind of pry up at the same time to pull that one out. And then getting over here to this black one here, you can see where it's clipped in here. You're going to want to get your flathead and get it up under there and pry those back. All right, and I believe, you look on the other side, yeah, there's going to be 2 of those clips on the other side as well. We got our white one out of there. This one was a little tricky. You got to kind of get the screwdriver under there and pry one side up and get these tabs that were here down past here, and then go do the other side, and you're going to have to pull on it a little bit as you're prying with your other hand with the screwdriver. It's really hard to show you with one hand here, but it wasn't it took about 1.5 minutes. All right, this switch here we can actually leave on because we're not going to be doing the door lock, just the power windows. So going back over to this panel, basically this one here, you just want to push in on this tab and pull up like that. And this one, same thing. There's a little tab here. Just, let's see if we can use it one hand. There we go. Just pull up like that. And there's your switch. All right, we're going to take our new switch. And you can see pretty much where it's going to go according to your grooves here. And this should just snap right in. Put that in there. And snaps in just like that. And go ahead, plug your cables back in, and just reassemble everything in the order you took it out. All right, and here's all your numbers here if you need these to reference to your switch. I believe that 20945-129 number is probably going to be the number you need. Here's another one over here. Yeah, the GM number, 20945-129. And if you have a 2014, I don't know about the other years, but I know for this year, this is the part number you're going to need. And that's how you do it on the What to Do channel. So hit subscribe below, give me a like, see you guys next time.